We all love a touch of glam, right? Whether it's for a special occasion, a night out, or just to feel a bit more fabulous on a regular day, makeup has the power to transform and uplift our spirits. But let's be real, the cost of high-end makeup can be daunting. But who says you need to empty your wallet for a flawless makeup look? The beauty industry has evolved, and now, more than ever, there are countless affordable options that don't compromise on quality. Enter the wonderful world of drugstore makeup. These products are not only budget-friendly, but also offer a wide range of options to suit every need and preference. Yes, you heard that right. Drugstore brands offer incredible quality without the hefty price tag. From foundations that provide flawless coverage to lipsticks that last all day, there's something for everyone. Gone are the days of chalky formulas and limited shade ranges. Today, drugstore makeup brands are competing with high-end brands, offering products that are just as good, if not better. Drugstore brands have seriously upped their game. They are constantly innovating, bringing out new products that cater to the latest beauty trends and consumer demands. They're constantly innovating, using high-quality ingredients and offering a rainbow of shades to flatter every skin tone. Whether you're looking for a bold, dramatic look or something more natural, you'll find it in the drugstore aisles. So, get ready to unleash your inner makeup artist without breaking the bank. With the right products and a bit of creativity, you can achieve any look you desire. We're about to embark on a budget-friendly beauty journey that will leave you feeling confident and radiant. Stay tuned as we explore the best drugstore makeup products and share tips and tricks to help you make the most of your beauty routine. Let's address the elephant in the room. The misconception that drugstore makeup can't compete with high-end brands. While luxury brands have their place, don't underestimate the power of a good drugstore find. Many drugstore products boast similar formulas and ingredients to their pricier counterparts. The secret often lies in clever marketing and packaging. Think about it. You're paying for the product, not the fancy box it comes in. So ditch the guilt and embrace the affordability of drugstore makeup. You'll be amazed at the hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Ready to build your budget-friendly makeup kit? Here are the essentials you'll need to create a complete makeup look, all for under $20. Foundation brand, True Match Foundation, $9.99. Concealer brand, Instant Age Rewind Concealer, $7.99. Eyeshadow palette, brand, The Nudes Eyeshadow Palette, $14.99. Mascara brand, Lash Sensational Mascara, $8.99. Blush brand, Fit Me Blush, $5.99. Lipstick brand, Color Sensational Lipstick, $7.49. See? A complete makeup look without the guilt trip to your wallet. Now let's move on to the fun part, applying these gems. Foundation, the base of any great makeup look. Finding the right drugstore foundation is like striking gold. Look for a formula that matches your skin type and tone. Don't be afraid to ask for samples or do a patch test before committing. Start by applying a small amount of foundation to the center of your face, and blend outwards using a damp makeup sponge or brush. The key is to build coverage gradually, avoiding the dreaded cakey look. Remember, your foundation should enhance your natural beauty, not mask it, so go for a natural skin-like finish. Eyes are the windows to the soul, so let's make them pop. Today, we're diving into the art of creating stunning eye looks that will make your eyes truly stand out. Whether you're going for a natural daytime look or a bold, dramatic evening style, we've got you covered. Our trusty drugstore eyeshadow palette has everything we need to create endless looks. With a variety of shades ranging from soft neutrals to vibrant colors, the possibilities are limitless. You don't need to break the bank to achieve a professional finish. Start by applying a light, neutral shade all over the eyelid as a base. This will help to even out the skin tone on your eyelids and create a smooth canvas for the other colors. It's like priming a canvas before painting a masterpiece. Then build dimension by applying a medium shade to the crease and blending outwards. This step adds depth to your eyes, making them appear larger and more defined. Remember, blending is key to achieving a seamless look. For a touch of drama, add a darker shade to the outer corner of the eye. This technique creates a smoky effect that's perfect for evening events. Don't forget the eyeliner. A well-applied eyeliner can transform your look from simple to stunning. A thin line along the upper lash line can instantly define your eyes. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try a winged eyeliner for a more dramatic effect. The key is to keep your hands steady and follow the natural shape of your eye. Finish with a few coats of volumizing mascara for that wide-awake look. Mascara not only lengthens your lashes, but also adds volume, making your eyes appear more open and vibrant. And there you have it, a stunning eye look that's sure to turn heads. Cheek to chic, adding a flush of color with Drugstore blush. Blush adds a healthy, youthful glow to any complexion. When choosing a Drugstore blush, consider your skin tone. For fair skin, opt for light pinks or peaches. Medium skin tones can pull off coral or rose shades. Darker skin tones can experiment with rich berries or plums. Smile. See those apples of your cheeks? That's where you'll apply your blush. Use a fluffy brush and blend outwards towards your temples for a natural flush. Pout perfection. Finding your signature lip color. Lipstick is the ultimate confidence booster. Drugstore brands offer a mind-boggling array of shades, from nudes to reds to bold berries. When choosing a lipstick, consider the occasion and your personal style. For everyday wear, a tinted lip balm or a nude lipstick is a great option. For a night out, why not experiment with a bold red or a playful pink? Apply lipstick to the center of your lips and blend outwards using a lip brush or your finger. And remember, a little goes a long way. Setting the stage. The power of primer and setting spray. Want your makeup to last all day? Primer and setting spray are your secret weapons. Drugstore primers create a smooth canvas for your makeup, while setting sprays lock in your look. Apply primer after your skincare routine but before foundation. Focus on areas where your makeup tends to crease or fade. Once you've finished your makeup, mist your face with a setting spray to keep everything in place. Trust us, your makeup will thank you. Unleash your inner makeup artist tips and tricks for a professional finish. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tips will help you elevate your makeup game and achieve that flawless professional look you've always dreamed of. You've mastered the basics of drugstore makeup, now it's time to take your skills to the next level. With a few strategic tweaks and some insider knowledge, you can transform your everyday makeup routine into a masterpiece. Let's dive into the world of professional makeup techniques. Here are some expert tips and tricks to achieve a professional finish. Invest in good brushes. Quality brushes can make a significant difference in the application and blending of your makeup. They help you achieve a smoother, more even finish, and can be the key to unlocking your full potential as a makeup artist. You don't need a million brushes, but a few key ones can make all the difference. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is crucial for a seamless look. It helps to soften harsh lines and create a more natural transition between colors. Remember, the more you blend, the more polished your makeup will appear. The secret to a seamless makeup look is all in the blending. Use circular motions and light pressure to blend your makeup. This technique helps to distribute the product evenly and prevents any harsh lines from forming. Take your time with this step. It's worth the effort for a flawless finish. Don't be afraid to experiment. Trying new products and techniques can lead to discovering what works best for you. Makeup is an art form, and like any art, it requires creativity and a willingness to try new things. Step out of your comfort zone and explore different styles and trends. Makeup is supposed to be fun. Enjoy the process and don't take it too seriously. It's a way to express yourself and enhance your natural beauty. Whether you're going for a bold, dramatic look or a subtle, everyday style, the most important thing is to have fun and feel confident in your own skin. Play around with different colors and techniques to find what works for you. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more skilled you'll become. Don't be discouraged by mistakes. They're just part of the learning process. Each attempt brings you one step closer to mastering the art of makeup. Like any skill, makeup takes practice. Set aside time to experiment and refine your techniques. Watch tutorials, read articles, and learn from others in the beauty community. The more knowledge you gain, the more confident you'll become in your abilities. Don't get discouraged if your first few attempts aren't perfect. Every makeup artist started somewhere, and it's normal to make mistakes along the way. Use each experience as a learning opportunity and keep pushing forward. Persistence and patience are key to achieving a professional finish. So go forth, embrace your inner makeup artist and rock that drugstore glam. With these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to creating stunning, professional quality looks. Remember, confidence is your best accessory. So, put on your favorite makeup, smile, and let your inner beauty shine through.